There is a desperate appeal tonight to help the homeless in need of warmth in light of the cooler temperatures in Mandeville, Manchester. We have the details in this report.
For days now, the temperature has gotten a little colder in cool Mandeville.
Mandeville is a very cold climate, but it never cold like this. I want to tell you that I have on three shirts and one marina under it and a t-shirt and I have a jacket. I still feel the cold through it.
The cold front here is the second time I really feel it in Mandeville here. 1977, I remember. I couldn't touch my hand and the way the time it was so cold. And now I felt it again. Because in this time now, in February here, this cold front, I have to wear 3 shirts.
While the average citizen has access to warmer clothing, the homeless roaming the streets of the Manchester capital do not.
Boy, me not have nothing but I say boy, I want a little bag or so. And me cover up under the bag and I feel the cold come through it same way. And last night my son give me one some, anybody come round at the next part round here so. When I next part, so I have to get up because I put the one over me. But it's a going cold, so I make me fall and put it over me and I feel a little bit better.
In fact, it has been so cold they've been forced to stay put. So instead of just handing out food, the Friends in Need charity has been distributing sweaters and blankets. But unfortunately, founder Yvonne Townsend Carr says there isn't enough for everyone.
Now that it's cold, you have more coming out. And so it's about 60 to 65. So at times it rises and at times it falls. But right now, we have an influx. So we could say roughly 65.
And in terms of gender, what is it mixed like? You have women out here as well?
Okay, so we have women and men, but the men are in the majority.
And being cold aside,
these street persons, they have respiratory problem as living on the street on an ongoing basis. So all of them that I encounter with, they're coughing, they have coughs.
It's why she's appealing for donations to keep the homeless warm. From hats to socks, shoes, sweaters, and jackets, it will go a long way for this vulnerable group.